Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods. And I'm kind of sad and bummed out to be bringing you the last episode of our origami series, even though there's so much more that we can fold out of paper. But I'm pretty excited to be showing you how to create your very own paper airplane. So we're going to create them and test them. Materials that you're going to need is some type of really thin, lightweight paper like computer paper, copier paper, or even notebook paper. So go out and find the materials and let's begin. For our last origami episode, we're going to be creating the dart airplane. And I've thrown it several times, so there's a little damage to the nose. Get that out of here. Grab our sheet. I'm using an 8.5 by 11 sheet of white copier paper, approximately 20-pound weight. First fold, we're going to fold it directly in half the long way. So you want to roll it, hold, then fold, and after you have that fold, use a thumbnail or a fingernail to get a very sharp crease. Now let's open it back up so it's in the portrait position. We're going to take this top edge and fold it down to this middle fold. Now what I like to do, this is just Mr. Woods' rule of thumb, is I like to get close to the fold without touching the fold, and you'll find that giving yourself a little bit of room is going to help fold this plane up. So I do that on the left. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right. Match it up. Now you can go all the way to the fold if you want to, but after several times of making this, I found that this is the easiest way. Now I'm going to hold this piece down. I'm going to take this edge right to the center again. Same style of fold. And now I'm going to use my thumb to hold down this edge, that corner right there. And then I'm going to use my pointer finger just to help roll the paper. Get it where I like it. Hold it first. Then kind of just roll the paper down, fold it, come back with a nice sharp crease. And whatever you do on one side, you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now we're going to fold this in half. So right now we have our plane. Here's the nose. Here's the tail, but we don't have any wings created or folded down. So I'm going to go as close to the nose as I can get, and I'm going to fold the wing down on one side. I'm going to fold it toward me. And again, the better you get your creases, the better it's going to fold up and be able to fly. Now turn it over. Do just the same thing, but only opposite direction. Mirror image. Roll it down so it matches up. And then voila! Bam! You have your plane. Now it's time to test fly it. Okay, I'm out here on a baseball field on this glorious day. We have a slight breeze, but I don't think it's really going to affect the throw. Well, I'm going to be throwing both of my dart planes that I've created. And when you throw these, keep in mind, throw it like a dart. So spread out the wings, get them kind of flat and level, and just whip it more as a dart rather than a baseball throw, even though we're on a baseball field. I've got cones marked at every 20 feet, 20, 40, and then the base itself is 60. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, there we go. That's in between the 40 and the 60, so around 50 feet. So let's go check it out. Here's my first throw. That cone right there is at 20. This one's at 40. So it's a little past there. So it's about 30, 35 feet. And this one over here, so if the base is at 60, we're looking, see if I can get back here and get this a little bit of a shot. It's looking at about 50, 55 feet. So again, I'm out here at a baseball field, beautiful day, not much of a breeze. The camera is right at first base, so it's 60 feet away from home plate where I'm going to be throwing from. And then I have cones marked at 20 and 40 just to give you an idea of how far they can go. After you test yours out, video yourself and then upload it onto my Facebook page, because I can't wait to not only see your paper airplane, but also see how far you can throw it. It's so cool that you decided to join me for our last origami episode. Well, last for now, right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. And after you've folded your very own dart airplane, don't only take a picture of it, but I want to see a video of you throwing it outside. And if you can beat my throw of 55 feet, I'll send you a prize. Remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.